Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have a Cisco ASR-1001-X, which I have some issue booting. The unit doesn't boot. I have a different errors. Trying to load this particular EOS right there. So look at that. I have errors right there. So before you load any operating system right here on the unit, on the Cisco router, I recommend check the documentation on the Cisco side, because if you are planning to upgrade the operating system, exists some compatibilities between the iOS and the ARM version. So very important. So I have a document right here. Let me show you. In this one right here, so you can see very clearly that on this, I have this one right here, this hardware platform right there. So if you are running, for example, this one right here, the minimum hardware version is this one right here. So if you upgrade the operating system to 17.1, for example, you need to upgrade the ARM version on the unit. Look at that. So it's very important. If you upgrade to this particular ARM version right here, there is no way that you can go back. So you will upgrade to that particular version. So on this one right here, when I checking the boot process of the router, I can see very clear that the system booster version is this one right here, meaning that that is the ARM version running on the unit. So look at the operating system. This one is 17.09.0048. So, but it doesn't boot. It gives some error right there. You can see right there. It doesn't boot. So I will show you how to how to fix this problem. Using there's two different ways. You can upgrade. You can try to load the operating system from a TFTP server, which is a longer process. So I will try to simplify the process, loading the operating system from the USB. So right here I need to abort the boot process in order to go to the ARM, and from there just change a few ARM parameters in there. Very simple thing, nothing complicated. So let me show you how to do that. Before booting, we need to abort the process right there. Let's wait until right there. Control A, C, F. I have Linux, so I already interrupt the boot process right there. So set. I have a few parameters right there. For the IP address, trying to boot from the TFTP server, but I want to try to make this video short, so I will use the USB device that I have, and then from there we're just trying to see if we can fix this issue. So let's change the configuration register, which is very important. I have a video on my channel about, I explain how the behavior of the configuration register. So let's type conf reg, enter. You want to change the configuration? Yes. No. Ignore system configuration? Yes. But right now, change boot characteristic? Yes. Because I need go into the ARM, and from there, execute just, that I need to go into my USB, and from there, select operating system and then boot from there. So, and then right there we go to select the option, the server run monitor. That's the option that I need. Boot init helper image. This is a different option which will try to find a comparable image to boot from, and the boot system when you already have everything set up, when you install all the operating system, platform upgrade, and all that kind of stuff. So in this case, I will select the option number 0 and enter. And right here, no, you already made the changes, no. So reset, and that will boot into the ARM mode. And from here, so check the ARMON version, because it's very important. If you upgrade, you need to upgrade to a different operating system. You need to check that, because so dear USB 1. So look at that. So I have this ARMON version right here, and since I can see that the ARMON version running is this one right here, I will use a comparable image based on the table that I showed you earlier. So this one right here is the operating system that I will choose to boot from. Boot USB 1, and then paste and enter. So let's wait until the process is complete, until the unit boot, and after that we are going to check what is the content of the boot flash, which file. Probably there's a different operating system in there. So let's see what happens. So let's wait until the process is complete. So the unit already boot. Look at that. After about 5 minutes, unit finally boot. And let me show you something right here. So basically, show boot bar. And look at that, the operating system that is on the variable right there is the 1609. Look at that. Do you remember the file, the table that I showed you about the compatibility? Look at that. So you have 1609, so which is this one right here. The ARMON version is this one, right? But look at that. This is the operating system, and look, the ARMON only unit. Show platform. See? So it's different. So that's the reason why the unit doesn't boot. So since I already have that, I will try to execute a procedure in order to clean all software in there and then install a new package. So in order to do that, we need to execute. I have this file right here, which is request platform software package clean. I will remove my USB. So let's do that. Request platform, in order to clean everything on the unit. Let's see. And after that, we need to copy the operating system, this one right here, the operating system that we already boot, which is the version 17, right? That we did manually, right, from ARMON. This one right here, right? That one right there. So we need to copy that manually to boot flash. We need to strictly copy the operating system in there to boot flash. And then, we need to say yes to clean all these old packages. Okay, perfect. So now we need to copy the operating system. Dear boot flash, there is a different file in there. So let me copy the operating system. I believe dear USB 1, and I believe this operating system already exists on this unit. So let's see. So I was checking, and the operating system apparently is already there. So it is this one right here. So basically, let's just execute request platform software package expand file and the location, which is boot flash, paste, force, yes, force, and verbose, yeah, verbose. So that is the operating system. Will install all the operating system on the unit, and after that we need to execute the request software package clean, just to make sure that the unit is clean. So let's see what happens. This will take a few minutes. So there we go. So they will take maybe 5 minutes, something like that. Let's wait until this process is complete. So guys, apparently the software is complete. The expand all the packages right there. So let's check show boot bar right there. I need to change the configuration register. Do you remember that when we initially set the unit, we modified that? So I need to modify that in order to allow the configuration register to boot the system from based on the boot variable right here. Let's see. Let's try. I will reboot the unit. I will execute another just to clean it up. Request a platform software package, package clean, just to make sure just to clean any other package that exists in there. Okay, now I will remove the router, and then after that we are just changing the configuration register. Let's just make sure that the show version. Okay, let's just so reboot. So look at that, guys. After I remove the unit, the unit finally, is booting. We just copy the operating system, change the configuration register, which it was booting a different AOS. And maybe the reason what happened was the Armon version was maybe different, was 17 point something, and the boot variable it was a 16.9, which is totally different. Maybe that was the issue. So after we execute the platform request platform software package expand and the file name, we were able to modify the boot variable, and then finally fix the issue with booting. So right here, look at that. Let's see if the unit enable show version. Yes, right there, look at that. Yeah, this is booting for boot flash, this operating system that we choose, which is basically compatible with the Armon version installed on the chassis. Check platform. Check platform. Check platform. I believe there is some different check platform resource, a different software, but check platform DI just to make sure. Look at that everything is working. Power supply and all fans. One power supply is failed because it is connected. Is only one power right now connected. So inventory, show environment all, show license duty. This is very important. You want to generate a license, that one right there, and then show license features to make you see, which license are on the unit. Show license feature. Oh, it's different in this operating system. Show chassis usage and summary. So basically, that is how did you solve the issue, with this ASR-1001-X, which is the operating model, the model of the router right there. So that's how did you fix it, using booting from a USB transfer to the operating system, execute the request platform software package, expand, to install all operating system, change the boot variable, and after that, change the configuration racer behavior. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, please, and share with your friends and coworkers. Thank you so much, and have a nice weekend. Thank you.